All right, so our lineup is as follows. Inside, row 1, Driver X, John Reynolds Jr., last Saturday night's feature winner here at the Rockford Speedway. Outside of Driver X, it is the 84, Jake Van Oskey. Row 2, inside, it is 61, Frank Beldowski. Outside of Frank Beldowski, the 81 of DJ Smith. Last row, Max Kaler in the 17, and the 2 of Michael Bilderbeck. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's the X Machine of John Reynolds Jr. out front. Jake Manaski in that 84 second. Dennis Smith Jr. in 81 right now in the 3rd spot. Michael Bilderback with the 2 in the 4th spot. Frank Beldowski rounding off your top 5. And Max Kaler a little behind, checking out the new engine here as he's in the back of the dash.
Yeah, Max Kaler had a lot of trouble last Saturday night. Definitely having engine problems. Hoping they figured it out. Switched engines. They spent about, I don't know how many hours. Oh, Van Oskey gets spun out. DJ Smith and Van Oskey there. Don't know what happened on that coming out of turn 4, but we are still green flag racing.
Yeah, as a couple of 80s rub, the 81 and the 84.
And another one.
As Frank Beldowski. Fearless Frank having some problems in turns 3 and 4, bringing out our first caution of the night.
Kaler dropping back, still trying to get it figured out. Let's make sure his car's good to go for feature time as we are going to wind him up. And green flag, and we're racing. So with 2 down, Driver X is leading us around. Michael Bilderback looking to the inside of DJ Smith. Will Michael Bilderback try it? No, he's going to put it back into the outside. As we are...
Reynolds still out front. Smith in second with that 81 in a battle with the 2 and Michael Bilderback. Manaski in the 84 and Frank Beldowski in a quick check. Max Kaler in that 17 still working that engine. As Dennis Smith Jr. trying to close the gap a little bit on the X Machine, but he's got to watch out for his back because Michael Bilderback in that 2, closing in quick. Bumper to bumper they go in the 81 and the 2 as they'll come around for that final lap. John Reynolds Jr. in the X Machine looks to win his 3rd dash, and he will. Smith Jr. 2nd, Bilderback 3rd, Banaski 4th, and Beldowski 5th.
So a nice end last Saturday for John Reynolds Jr., who won the feature and now wins tonight's first race for the Stanley Steamer late models in their dash. Definitely a good deal. A lot on the line for these late models as they only have 4 events left to championship night. So we are winding down the nights. And Driver X currently sitting 2nd in points. He is 32 points out of 1st place. So we've got a very tight points race in the late model division here at the Rockford Speedway. A lot on the line. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up. It's John Reynolds Jr.